bro. It's okay. I keep sniffling. Oh my gosh. Hi, bestie. Ew. Okay, she's not my bestie. I just walked up to a random human. I'm scared that might be the murderer with a fake gun thing. I hope not. I hope it's the sheriff. I'm scared. Oh, it's the sheriff. It's the sheriff.
By the way, guys, I'm gonna pause this video. Don't mind the background. I sped up my voice in this clip, so don't mind how my mom sounds really sped up and my brothers do and stuff. Anyways, back to the video.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Wait, honestly, emotes really disabled. Yours! Do that dance. Yes! I just knocked some girl down. I'm not mad about it. Yes! You know, don't go for that ugly rat map. Bro, okay. Guess we're getting that map. Alright, let's see who I get. Ooh! Ew, I don't know why I'm laughing like that. Come on, please don't kill me. I'm just a little baby. I get weird in MM2, okay? I get weird. So, I apologize if I sound zesty, but I'm a girl, so. And I'm straight. Ooh, I killed him. Please get murderer. I hate innocent with a passion. Bro, okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I just gotta breathe. I'm not even joking. Actually, who is it? Sorry, as you can see, I got a little sad. has a fake chat, some piercings, falling off eyelashes, cute brown Miffy shirt thingy, a cute dress, it's blue with stripes, cute shoes with hearts on them, a sleigh. What if I just kill everybody with a Wi-Fi glitch? Because... Oh. Help, I can't move. Okay. Let me just turn the glitch on. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck? Yes, I'm doing so good! Slay! I'm doing so good. Yes, I'm doing so good. So, I want to make everything so hard for me. I hate you. Shoot. Finally. Finally I died. I mean, I lost. It's okay. Okay, I hope you like the video.